Hello there, this is David with Carpet One of Castro Valley, and I just went down to San Jose because one of our clients decided to move a cabinet after we already installed the floor. So I'm going to show you how I did that. It looks like this cabinet here, right here, used to be somewhat over here, and they changed it out. Anyway, going to show you real quick how we're going to do this. So had to eliminate this, so I pull that out, and then with our knife we cut right here, and then we cut right here, and then with a chisel we want to take this piece and push it out. We take this piece right here and we hit it that way, and this goes out. So we have a factory edge right here, which is good, and then we have room to put in a brand new piece, and then in the end we're going to put a piece of base right there, 45. So you'll be able to see the crazy techniques that I use. It's not rocket science, but it's definitely not do-it-yourself. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, all that other good YouTube stuff. I like to get out little tips and tricks of the trade every once in a while. So if you subscribe, you'll get notified when that stuff happens. Have a good day.